Sky Bound Aviation, the channel dedicated to delivering you the most detailed, high-quality reviews of the world's most luxurious and innovative travel machines, from private jets to premium motorhomes. Today, we take you inside the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV, a vehicle that merges Cadillac's legendary comfort and refinement with the versatility and freedom of a luxury motor. This is not just a recreational vehicle, it's an elegant home on wheels designed for those who demand top-tier sophistication, performance, and cutting-edge technology wherever they go. The exterior design of the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV embodies Cadillac's unmistakable style, enhanced for both road presence and functionality. The signature vertical LED lighting elements and bold chrome-accented grille create a commanding front view. Smooth, aerodynamic body lines contribute to reduced drag, while the large tinted panoramic windshield offers a breathtaking driving perspective. The RV sits on polished alloy wheels with high-grip touring tires, engineered for maximum stability and a quiet ride. Retractable side extensions, activated by a single touch, expand the interior living space when parked, ensuring unparalleled comfort on the road. The vehicle's exterior also incorporates hidden storage compartments, integrated power awnings, and a high-resolution side camera system for enhanced maneuverability. Stepping inside, you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a luxury suite than a motor. Cadillac has utilized premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, natural wood veneers, and brushed aluminum trim, creating an atmosphere of warmth and opulence. The living area features plush, ergonomically designed seating with built-in massage and heating functions. A massive Ultra HD entertainment system with immersive surround sound ensures that every moment spent inside is just as enjoyable as the journey itself. Soft ambient LED lighting throughout the cabin can be customized for different moods, from bright and energizing to warm and relaxing. The kitchen area is a masterclass in design and functionality, equipped with state-of-the-art appliances such as an induction cooktop, smart convection oven, full-sized refrigerator, an automated coffee machine. It allows you to prepare gourmet meals on the go. Clever storage solutions keep essentials organized, while the seamless countertop and deep sink add to the premium feel. The bedroom offers the comfort of a luxury hotel suite, featuring a king-size memory foam bed, high thread count linens, and a climate-controlled sleeping environment. Built-in wardrobes provide generous storage, and a hidden retractable smart TV offers entertainment at your fingertips. The bathroom elevates the RV experience with a walk-in rainfall shower, heated flooring, and touchless fixtures, combining functionality with indulgence. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV is powered by a robust hybrid powertrain that blends a high-torque gasoline engine with advanced electric motors. This combination delivers impressive horsepower and torque while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency for its class. The adaptive air suspension ensures an exceptionally smooth ride, whether you're cruising down highways or navigating uneven terrain. Cadillac's precision engineering is evident in the quiet cabin, minimal body roll, and the responsive handling of this large luxury vehicle. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV. A fully integrated AI driving assistant manages navigation, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and even semi-autonomous driving in suitable conditions. The 360-degree camera system with bird's-eye view makes parking and tight maneuvers stress-free. The infotainment system is compatible with all major smart devices, offering voice control, live traffic updates, and access to streaming entertainment. Advanced safety features include collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring peace of mind during every trip. For those who love extended journeys, the Cadillac Motorhome RV offers solar panel integration for off-grid energy independence, a built-in water filtration system, and a high-capacity battery pack for powering appliances when not connected to shore power. The climate control system adapts to extreme hot or cold conditions, maintaining an ideal interior environment regardless of location. Every detail in the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome RV reflects Cadillac's dedication to craftsmanship, comfort, and innovation. It's designed for travelers who want to experience the freedom of the open road without compromising on luxury or performance. Whether parked at a scenic lakeside retreat or cruising along the coastline, this RV ensures you arrive in style and enjoy the journey just as much as the destination. This has been ZK Sky Bound Aviation, bringing you an in-depth look at one of the most refined luxury motorhomes of 2026. If you enjoyed this review and want to explore more exclusive vehicles, from high-end RVs to private jets and beyond, remember to like this video, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to the channel for more premium reviews and expert insights. Your next luxury adventure begins right here with us.